Okay, you're watching Lishu Akram, and we have debate once again. And topic of the debate is caste census. Should it take place in India or not? So both the teams are ready. We are ready. Hopefully, you are ready. So let's get it started.
It should take place because it is very beneficial for the people, for the citizen of our country, for everyone. It is beneficial, not for the backward people, also for the general people, because it doesn't matter that who belong to lower caste. Only those people want reservation, only those people want ration. In general caste people are also living here, in general caste people are also there. So when caste census will happen, government will get to know about everything, in general caste also and in backward caste also. And so here I want to say that when our government will do caste census, so definitely our government will get the correct numbers, because now we don't have correct numbers. Whatever we are doing on the basis of 2011 data. We are living in 2011, we are living in 2025, so we have to live in present. From 2011 our population has increased, inflation has increased, everything is increasing rapidly, and we are using the old data, and we don't have the data about caste. We are providing the reservation to the people, we are providing ration to the people, we are making many type of policies for the backward people, for the many caste. So we should have data. So when our government will do caste census, so that time they have correct data.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and a very good afternoon to all of you. My name is Ilma and today we are doing debate here on a topic of caste census. It should be implemented in India or not? Well, I think so it should not be implemented in India. I have so many reasons against the caste census, which is politicization of caste, privacy concern, old mindset not for modern India and all. So now let's discuss one by one. So my first point is about it divides not unites. Caste census goes against the dream of brotherhood and unity. And caste is already a big problem, so why make it bigger? India is trying to reduce caste discrimination among the people, not increase it. And if we keep asking about the caste with the people, so people will keep thinking about it all the time, which is not a good thing. And caste is not everything. A poor person from any caste needs help. Helping only based on a caste is unfair. So we should look on other thing also. And old mindset not from modern India. Old mindset is coming again. Means the modern India is about the infrastructure. The modern India is about education sector. And the modern India is about the progress, not is caste census. And if you really want to collect the data, so collect by census. Why you are doing caste census? And there is a privacy concern also. Maybe Indian citizens may be uncomfortable to disclose their caste identity. What's the guarantee that it will give you the correct data? And there is a politicization of caste also. Means caste data may be used by political parties to exploit the caste based vote banks, and it could increase caste based polarization also. And do you know what is the Indian government doing nowadays? Can you please tell me?
So here I wanna clear many things. As you all have many type of misconceptions, like you all are saying that when our government will do caste census, so they are trying to divide us. It is not like that. We all are divided already into cultures, into religions. We are divided already, and we are divided into caste also. But we don't have correct data, so we should have the correct data. And you all are saying that if our government want to do something for our betterment, so why they are using the word of caste? You know why? Because earlier they were tortured. For uplifting them, we are making some type of special policies for them.
They
So
had
now you have gotten the answer that why we are using the caste word for the people.
So
for-
brother, listen to
and
me.
here I want to say one more thing. Like in Bihar and in Telangana, caste census has happened there.
They
And
had
you know what? And you know
Listen
what?
to me.
There they find that backward people who belong to backward caste, they are more in percentage, like they are 70 to 80%, and they find that only 20% people are there who belong to general caste. and they find that in every field, whether it is about government sector, whether it is about private sector, they find that 80 to 90% people are there who belong to general caste. So what is happening here? So you know what they did? They expand the reservation 50 to 70% for the people. And you know what? If in whole over India, if our government will do caste census in any city, if they find that general people are more in percentage, so definitely you know what? They will reduce the reservation for the general people. 50 to 20% they can reduce, and that time general people will get 70 to 80% chance. So definitely it is good for general people.
Listen to me. If caste census will be here, so it may create more demand for reservation. If
So what goes
caste
in there?
numbers, if caste numbers becomes public, so many group and many people may demand for reservation and more facilities, and this can lead fight among the communities, among the people, and it can create jealousy also.
You know, it is not like that.
It is
Our
like
government
that.
will
Actually,
see.
it's
Yeah,
like
I have
that.
told you that in any city, if they find that they want more reservation, so definitely they will provide. In any city, if they will find that general people are more and they want some more seats, so definitely they will reduce the. Sir,